Hi everyone! Welcome to Cobalt Crochet Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to make the single crochet stitch. Let's get started. I'm using an 11.5mm hook and super bulky category 6 yarn. It's going to be helpful if you already know how to make a slip knot and how to do the chain stitch. If you don't know how to make those, just head on over to my channel and I have tutorials for both of them. So first, make your slip knot and slide it onto your hook. Now you're going to chain your desired length. I'm going to be chaining 5. Then after you've chained your desired length, you're going to chain 1. That extra chain is called your turning chain, and it's going to equal the height of each row as we go across. So at the end of every row we make, we're going to chain 1 again. Different stitches have different lengths of turning chains, but for single crochet, the turning chain length is just 1 chain. Alright, so to start, you're going to find the second chain from your hook. So this is my first chain from the hook, and this is my second one. As you can see, there are kind of 3 parts to this chain. There's this top strand, this middle strand, the one coming out from the center of that chain, and this bottom strand. I like to go right above the bottom strand when I insert my hook, so going under the middle and the top strands. So to start your single crochet stitch, just insert your hook right above the bottom strand. And you can go different combinations, go under different combinations of the chain, but for me I like to go right above the bottom. After you've inserted your hook, put the yarn behind and over your hook. So I'll show you that again. It's called a yarn over. You're just going to wrap that yarn behind and around the hook. Now you're going to slide everything in your hook down a little bit so that this working yarn, which is the yarn coming from the ball, gets caught in the neck of that crochet hook. Now you're going to tilt your hook down slightly and pull that working yarn through the chain and lift up. To finish your single crochet stitch, yarn over again, catch it in the neck of that hook, tilt down slightly, and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. Let's make another one. So I just worked into this chain. Here's my single crochet stitch. Now I'm going to find my next chain right here. So like I said, I like to go right under the middle and the top strands of my hook. So just insert your hook, yarn over, catch it in the neck, tilt down, pull through, yarn over, catch it in the neck, tilt down, and pull through. Now I'm going to finish this row so we can look at how to start a new row with single crochet. Alright, so now I've made 1 row of single crochets. To start my new row, I'm going to do a turning chain again, like I mentioned earlier, and it's just going to be 1 chain. After you made your turning chain, turn your work. So to know which stitch to go into to start the second row, I know it's going to be the last stitch of the previous row. So turning it back over again, I just made this stitch right before I made this turning chain. And this V right here is the top of that stitch. So I know my first stitch is going to be into that last stitch I just made of the previous row. So I'll bring that a little closer, exactly where we're going into. I'm just going to insert my hook right under this V, which is the top of that last stitch from the previous row. Make sure you don't go into this V because this is just your turning chain. So I'm going to insert my hook right under there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.